What are my rights if fired illegally from at-will employment? Imagine working hard every day and then suddenly losing your job without a clear reason. It can feel confusing and unfair. You might wonder if there's anything you can do. Well, understanding your rights can help you navigate this situation. In most states, employment is considered at will. That means either you or your employer can end the job at any time, for almost any reason, or even no reason at all. But this freedom has limits. Laws protect employees from being fired for illegal reasons. If your employer fires you because of discrimination, retaliation, or in violation of public policy, that could be illegal. For example, your employer can't fire you because of your race, gender, age, religion, disability, or sexual orientation. They also can't fire you for reporting workplace violations, filing a workers' compensation claim, or participating in an investigation. Firing you for refusing to break the law or taking legally protected leave is also unlawful. If you believe your firing was illegal, you might have a wrongful termination claim. This means your employer broke laws meant to protect workers. You could be entitled to remedies like getting your job back, receiving back pay, or claiming damages for emotional distress. Sometimes, you can also recover legal fees. Even if you are in an at-will state, certain protections still apply. If your employer's policies or your employment contract promise job security or specify reasons for termination, they must follow those rules. Violating these agreements can be grounds for a wrongful termination claim. There are also exceptions to at-will employment. The public policy exception prevents firing someone for reasons that go against state laws or public interests. For example, firing someone for filing a workers' compensation claim is illegal. If your employer's conduct or policies suggest job security, firing you without cause might be unlawful too. Some states recognize that firing in bad faith or with malicious intent can be illegal. If you think you were fired illegally, start by documenting what happened. Write down what your employer said or did and gather any relevant documents like employment contracts or company policies. Think about whether discrimination, retaliation, or breach of contract played a role. It's wise to consult an employment law professional who can review your case and advise you on your options. Proving illegal firing can be tricky because employers have broad discretion under at-will rules. You need to show that your termination was based on an unlawful reason. With proper guidance, you can better understand your rights and whether you have a case. Remember, laws are designed to protect you from unfair treatment, and if your firing crossed the line, you might be able to challenge it and seek justice.